Happy Sunday. Hope everybody's well. I'm gonna tune myself out here for a second, but just wanted to say thanks for tuning in. Not gonna be too much action. It's probably just gonna be pretty boring, static, a little bit of music in the back. I have actually the delayed Nasdaq, so with this trading view, it's like a 10-minute delay. So I'll probably scroll through like a couple of assets, and then we'll come back to see where the market opens. But thanks for tuning in. I'm just gonna jump in here. I could type 900 times in the chat, Phil. So this is kind of and actually I'm looking at Euro futures, so this currency, and then we'll jump over and see where NQ actually opened up. It's just opened or just will open. Um, this is this weekly open, so I know I've been doing all this on a 4 hour. So even if I come here, you'll see like there's no no trickery or anything like that. So that's a weekly open candle. Okay. Um, there may be some more upside here. There may be more upside to this. That's why I was actually looking, and yeah, it's possible that that, like I said, there's more upside, but trying not to look too far back. You can get caught out doing that. Take it from me. So yeah, so that's a weekly again. So that's a weekly open, and then just dropping back to the 4 hour. Um, like I said, I can type all day long in the chat. So basically, the orange lines that I've highlighted are basically the previous week. So buy side liquidity was actually cleared. This was the previous week open here. Price ran up. It took that out. So right now we're kind of opening in a bearish order block, if you will. And it just depends on your learning, what you understand, what you see. So this is where we are basically on this 4 hour. So I just take the last bullish and then bearish down. So wick to actual wick, I just consider the entire zone. However, this idea, that concept of this holding, I don't want to see. Um, I actually want to see it violated, because at that point it's more liquidity than it is basically being kept inside an order block. It is bearish, but well, let me stop myself. It's not, but I would like to see it take this buy side and then basically clear out last week's previous low and then this week's sell side liquidity. So that's what I would be looking for. So do my infamous John Madden impersonation here. I swear, if he was still alive, I'd have to pay like royalties to him. So I want to see basically this buy side liquidity taken. I'd like to see it move back inside. Something that's going to give me confirmation that I don't want to go short. Basically clear this sell side liquidity for this week. Okay, probably get something back in here, and then clear this. So that would be my idea. That would be my expectation for this week. That's what I would like to see. But there and again, it could take a couple weeks. Just don't know. Market's just opening, but yeah, that's the blueprint for that. So we'll save that, and let's jump over to NQ. That's 4. Almost the same thing. I need to make I don't have a weekly open. Wow. I need to do better. I don't have a weekly open. candle. That midnight open can go away. I don't need that anymore. All right, um, so yeah, with this, like, without the benefit of hindsight, um, and this is a different chart. I don't know if you guys know, but um, but it works. It works the same. So basically, there's this is this week's 4 hour buy side liquidity. Last week's was I believe this was it. But anyway, we're targeting this buy side liquidity. It looks like, and we may see price come back down. So again, just based on what's being shown right now, um, kind of what I just drew. Want to see this 4 hour buy side liquidity taken if this is indeed the move. So take that, close back inside, may not come back to the weekly open. Um, Clear down, something like that, and then just clear out. I'm being very simple with my drawings because I can get pretty elaborate in here in terms of like market structure and be like, what in the hell is he drawing? But basically, that would be the move if we continue bullish. So, but we'll wait and see. We'll see how it plays out. All right, so it looks like we're probably just gonna range back and forth in here for a little bit. Um, I wasn't necessarily looking for like a snap to, but yeah, I marked out what would seem reasonable, I guess. But I don't know, it might be a little too quick. It might be too quick. But we still have obviously Asia, um, and obviously pre-London into London. So who knows? Um, I've got this here. So actually, I can. It was in a live stream. So the most I'll do, I'll just kind of, I'll save the link and I'll put it in the Discord just in case, like if it does deliver, and then that's just something that we can maybe just kind of track. That's just another data point that we'll have to track every week and week openings and a week opening gap and what that price action, the initial price action gives us because story be told, like they're orders, but who knows, right? I'll just say that. Who knows? This isn't a algorithmic time per se for a lot of movement or volatility as it would be, but there's something afoot. There's something that's positioning and acquiring. So yeah, this may take a while. And I'm not going to bore the shit out of you guys. So I said like 30, 45 minutes. So we're at about 38, 39 minutes. So like I said, won't bore you. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Before we go, though, I'm going to jump back over to see what that Euro Futures was doing. Go back and take a look at that. Wow, that funky line. Oh, that was my handy dandy drawing. That was my John Madden. I pulled the Madden. Oh man, it was simplified. That's the simplified Madden. Oh, that's funny. Note to self: don't open the chart on a 15 or 5 minute because it's gonna look like you got trend lines on your chart. I forgot I used the path tool. It's all over the place. That's funny. All right, so open the path tool just pretty much tells me like where that buy side is. So yeah, it's market's opening today somewhat normally. I'll say. Um, I will say it's normal. Like a early '90s Honda, it's taken a little while to warm up before it goes. So yeah, I'm not gonna bore the shit out of you guys. I'll zoom back out to the 4 hour and just show you. I don't know anybody that trades the euro currency futures, but obviously I'm not a signal service. I'm not, but this is just one of the instruments that I'd actually said that I was gonna follow this week just to see how things play out. So uh, yeah, that's my John Madden, my path tool. That's my John Madden. What I'm thinking. So we'll see if it delivers. Great. If it doesn't, great. It's data, tomato, whatever. All right. But I appreciate you guys for dropping in today. I won't hold you. Have a good Sunday evening. Stay safe. Be profitable. Um, two and done should be the rule for this week. Take two positions a day. If you win one, just be done. If you lose the first one, take a second one. If you win the second one, be done. You lose the second one, be done. So just try to be safe, and like I said, just be profitable. So I'll see you guys next week, and I'll actually include this Euro futures in our next week's weekly bias. All right. So take care.